Next question is question number 2, 1. Add the following rational numbers 3 by 4 and minus 3 by 5. So here we have question number 2, 1, 3 by 4 and minus 3 by 5. So first of all, what do? We look at the denominator. So we see here in this rational number 3 by 4, the denominator is 4. In minus 3 by 5, the denominator is 5. So this, the denominator is 4, and in this rational number, the denominator is 5. So they are not equal. They are not equal. Hence, this is the type when denominators are different. Okay, so what should we do when the denominators are different? I will do the shortcut method for you. Okay, so here 3 by 4, we have to add, then plus minus 3 by 5. 3 by 4 plus minus 3 by 5. So here what should we do? We first find the LCM of these denominators of 4 and 5. So LCM of 4 and 5 equal how much? So 4, 5. 4, 1 are 4, 5, 5, 1, 1. So LCM equal 4 multiply 5. 4 multiply 5. And this equal to 20. Equal to how much? 4 multiply 5 equal 20. So what we write that 20. This 20, you just write in the denominator. Okay, the LCM you write in the denominator. Now the next part, what should you do is you should first of all divide one. Divide LCM divide by the denominator. So here we see LCM is how much. Let us do first for this fraction. Okay, for this 3 by 4, LCM is 20. So 20 divide by the denominator of the first fraction first. First fraction, the denominator is 4. So 4, and that's equal to 5. Isn't it? So we write here 5. Next, what should we do is we must multiply. Multiply this value 5 multiply with the numerator of that fraction. So here we have taken first this fraction, isn't it? So we have to multiply with the numerator. Numerator of this first fraction is 3. So we write 3. Next we put the sign plus. So here also, so for this fraction again, we divide. This is first fraction. Now let us do the second fraction. We divide first. Now always the first step is divide. LCM divide denominator. We have 20 divide 1. For this fraction, the second fraction, denominator is 5. So this equal to 20 divide 5 equal 4. Now this 4, what should you do? You should multiply with the numerator. So we have taken this second fraction here. So this 4 you should multiply with the numerator. Numerator here is minus 3. This is the shortcut method. Okay, multiply minus 3. Remember this step. Okay, divide and multiply. First find the LCM, then we divide and we multiply. 5 multiply 3 equal 15 plus 4 multiply 3 equal 12. This is 4 is plus, this minus, so plus into minus equal minus 12 divided by 20 equal 15. first of all, remove the bracket. This is plus, this minus. So plus multiply minus equal minus 12 divided by 20. So 15 minus 12 equal how much? 15 minus 12 equal 3. 3 divided by 20. And this is the answer. Next question, question number 24. Minus 5 by 16 and 7 by 24. So again here we first look at the denominator. The denominator here is 16. The denominator here is 24. So 16 and 24, they are not equal. So this is the second type where the denominators are not equal. So what should you do? First of all, minus 5 by 16, since it is add, so we plus, and 7 by 24. And 7 by 24. So next, what should you do? You should find the LCM of the denominator. LCM of 16 and 24 equal how much? So 16, 24. Let us do first by 2. 2 into 8 are 16. 2 into 12 are 24. 2, 4 are 8. 2, 6 are 12. 2, 2 are 4. 2, 3 are 6. 2, 1, 3. 3, 1, 1. So LCM is 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 again multiply 3. Remember, we stop when this is 1 and 1, okay, when there's only 1 here. So 2 multiply 2 equal 4. 4 multiply 2 equal 8. 8 multiply 2 equal 16. And 16 multiply 3 equal 48. 16 multiply 3 equal 48. So the LCM is 48. So what should you do? Again, you just write here 48. Now what is the next step? Just like we did in the first question, you should divide. Divide what? LCM divide by denominator. So let us first do for the first rational number. So let us first solve for the minus 5 by 16 first. LCM is 48. This is the LCM. Divide by the denominator. Divide by denominator. Here denominator is 16. So 16. Now what is the next step? Multiply. Multiply. Multiply what? Multiply 6 equal how much? 48 divide 16 equal 3. So 3 multiply with the numerator. So what is the numerator here? 3 multiply. Numerator is minus 5. So minus 5 plus. Next again, for this fraction, let us see for this fraction. We have done for the first fraction. Let us see for the second fraction. So number 2, second fraction. LCM is again 48. Divide by, here the second fraction, the denominator is 24. So 24. 48 divide 24 equal 2. So we write 2. Next, we have to multiply this 2 with the numerator. What is the numerator here? It is 7. So 7. So then first, remember always BODMAS, we multiply first and then we add or subtract. 3 multiply 5 equal 15. This is minus, this is plus. So plus into minus equal minus 15. Plus 2 multiply 7 equal 14. Divided by 48. Equal. Minus 15 and plus 14. So here is minus and this is plus. So minus plus. What should we do? We should minus. So we should subtract. 15 minus 14 equal 1. And what sign should we put? Remember, we always put the greatest number, the sign of the greater number. Here, which is greater? 15 or 14? It is 15, isn't it? This is greater. than 14. 15 is greater than 14. And what is the sign of 15? It is this minus right here. So we write minus 1 divided by 48. And this is the answer. Next question. Number 6. 1 by minus 12 and 2 by minus 15. 1 by minus 12 and 2 by minus 15. So 1 by minus 12, again we have to add, and 2 by minus 15. The solution here. Again here we see that the denominators are different, isn't it? Denominators are different, are not equal. So we should first find the LCM of the denominator. LCM of minus 12 and minus 15. First of all, what should you do here? We should not put this minus sign in the denominator. When there is minus sign in the denominator, we should always carry to the numerator. So this become minus 1 by 12 plus, and this is minus 15, so we should carry it to the numerator, minus 2 by 15. Remember, you should not always put the minus sign in the denominator. You should always carry to the numerator. Always carry to the numerator. So here LCM of 12 and 15, not minus 12 and 15. LCM of 12 and 15. So 12 and 15. We go with 3. 3, 4 are 12, 3, 5 are 15. Now 4, 1, 5 and 5, 1, 1. So LCM equal how much? 3 multiply 4 multiply 5. 3 multiply 4 multiply 5, and this equal to 3, 4 are 12, 12, 5 are 60. So now we got the LCM to be 60. Then equal to, we write the LCM in the denominator. Next, what should we do? Again, we divide. Okay, I will not do it here. I will just solve it here. So 60 divide 12 equal 5. This 5 you must multiply it with the numerator, which is minus 1. Plus, so plus we have done for this fraction. This rational number we have done. So next, for this rational number, minus 2 by 15. So again, we should divide the LCM with the denominator. 60 divide 15 equal how much? 60 divide 15 equal 4. 4 multiply with the numerator, which is minus 2. And this equal to 5 multiply 1 equal 5. This is plus, this is minus, so minus 5. Plus 4 multiply 2 equal 8. This is plus, this is minus, so minus 8. 60. So here we see minus 5 plus minus 8, open up the bracket, plus into minus equal minus 8 divided by 60. So again here minus, this is minus, so minus and minus. Minus, minus, we get plus, right? So we should add. So 5 plus 8 equal 13. Next, what should you do? You should write the sign. What signs should we write? We should write the sign of 5 or 8. We should write the sign of 8 because 8 is greater than 5. So we write the sign of 8. So what is the sign of 8? It is minus. So minus 13 by 60. And this is the correct answer. Next question, question number 8. 2 and minus 5 by 4. Here, there is no denominator in 2, isn't it? If there is no denominator, the denominator is always 1. Remember that. If there is no denominator, the denominator is always 1. So this is 2 by 1 plus minus 5 by 4. Again, this is 1, this is 4. So the denominator are not equal. So we first find the LCM. LCM of the denominator 1 and 4. 1, 4. 1, 1 are 1. 1, 4 are 4. 4, 1, 4, 1. So LCM equal 1 multiply 4. 1 multiply 4. And this equal to 4. So LCM is 4. Equal 4. Next, what should we do? Divide. and the second step is multiply. Divide 1 LCM by the denominator, and multiply whatever this value here, we must multiply it with the numerator. So here LCM divide denominator for this fraction first, for 2 by 1. LCM divide denominator. LCM is 4, denominator is 1. So 4 divide 1 equal 1, equal 4, sorry. 4 divide 1 equal 4. And this 4 we have to multiply with the numerator. Numerator here is 2, so 2 plus, so plus. Again, divide LCM with denominator. Here LCM is 4, so 4 divide by denominator is 4. 4 divide 4 equal 1. The 1 multiply again with the numerator. Numerator, here the numerator is minus 5, so minus 5. Again, we should simplify first the 1 in the bracket. 4 multiply 2 equal 8, plus 1 multiply 5 equal 5. This is plus minus, so minus 5. So 4 equal 8, plus into minus equal minus 5 divided by 4, and 8 minus 5 equal 3. 3 divided by 4. And this is the answer.